Hi everyone, Eugene here at Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk about how you can enable silent mode on your LUMIX L10 so you can shoot silently. So first of all, why would you do that? Well, maybe you're at an event, maybe you're trying to shoot some wildlife, and every single little rustle, every single noise could scare away your subject, or you could actually cause a distraction if you're at an event, and so on and so forth. So when you take photos by default with the camera, this is what it sounds like. So we're just going to switch to the camera here. I'm just going to take a photo here. You can see there's an autofocus beep, another one, and then a bit of a noise from the shutter. And that could be a little bit distracting, right? So in order to prevent that from happening, all we need to do is go into the menu and actually turn on silent mode. And the best thing about it is you can actually set silent mode to a function key. So you can really easily switch between these modes. And what silent mode actually does is it takes out all the sounds that the camera makes, but also switches to the electronic shutter on the camera. So not even the mechanical shutter noise is heard when you take a photo with the camera. So let's jump into the menu and I'll show you how you can do that. So all we need to do is go into the menu, go to the second camera settings, then go to others photo 1, just find silent mode, and then turn it on. There we go. Let's take another shot. See, no autofocus noise. Autofocus again. Take our image completely silently. So hopefully, found this helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video tutorial. Bye-bye.